Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials how to recover your email password in case you couldn't sign in you. Yes, it's asking that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. So this can be recovered by a two option. One answer is questions on. Second is that if your account is managed with a family link, so then we have to send an email to your parents to change your password. So don't worry, we have alternative options by applying of it. Of course, and this idea easily can be recovered. But for your kind information, of course, in a case your Gmail has been hacked or hijacked or stolen by someone, or of course you have lost your device, and due to that you don't have access of the recovery email and the recovery phone so that you can reset, you are having this kind of problem, then do a step by step similar strategy. You will be able to easily recover it. So how it is? Unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer to recover this area because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. So that let's see now recover. Just we will go for try another way and see here it's just saying the last password we don't have. So now what we will do guys, here we don't have a phone number, so just we will go for click on I don't have a phone, so that we can. Now it's just saying a similar thing, so don't click on here. If you have two options, of course if you favor to especially reply of this two options, and then of course you can go for, otherwise no. So now just we will cut it from here, and now what we will do guys here, yes, we will go for recover by tapping on SP slam the Play Store, and how easily this can be recovered. See here, let's install Microsoft is AI browser, so artificial intelligence we will use here, and see how easily it will be. Now what we will do guys here, we have two changes that is very crucial. Just we will hold it and click on here, tapping on it, of course we will come in a notification, make it off notifications, and upon what we will do guys here, we will come in a permission. In permission we will have to navigate the location, so of course we will click to precise location off, and then of course we will go for here, so no longer function as intended. It's a saying you'll have to back two times, then set as a default. When we tap on make it enable and clear 4-5 times, then of course we will cut it from here. As we know that we have another browser that's also Chrome, so Chrome is also product of Google, so hold it and tap on this app info. Now we will click on this notification, make it off, let's tap, then we will back one more time, then we will come to permission, navigate the locations, make the precise location off, click on don't allow anyway. Now tap on it. Now we will have to one more time back, make it especially remove free up space permission, and thereupon of course we will back here. Then we can see here default as a Chrome apps, that nothing app is coming, so it means this is not installed still. You will have to wait for installations of this. Let's tap on a Play Store. Almost especially it's a 145 MB, so it's installing. We will have to wait here and let it complete, and then I will show you further step. We will proceed guys here. It's taking time here, of course we will have to wait for it. Almost we have done guys, don't worry. Scarcely 5 minutes we will take you to complete installations. Now almost 50% is we have completed. Still it's taking time here. Now more 40% we will have to especially wait here. Now more than 35% is we need to complete installations. Take any smartphones guys and apply similar strategy. This institution purpose, maybe especially this viewer he has lost a device or anything else, and that's why actually having this kind of the problem. Do similar step. Almost 71 percentage now, of course 75, so 25% is remaining. Yeah, let it complete firstly installations. And we are not going to do anything, so just we will take a Google Assistant and see what will happen here easily without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. This will be actually recovered. So almost now 15% is now, so we need more. Yes, now almost 90% is. Maybe actually nowadays internet speed is quite slow in this area, so that's why maybe it's the reason of that, and that's why happens. But don't worry, it's a volume the part of this email recovery show. It will be quickly now. Now almost see here 95% is, only 5% is remaining here to complete. Is now 2% is more, 1% is more, 100% is, so now it will be now it has started to install guys here. So let's see, let it complete installation. Now see installed, we will tap on here to open. Let's open. So now it has been opened here, we can see. Now do a step by step the similar that I will do here. Yes, here we will go for set as a defaults, and we'll go for here picks in this ones, and we will go for here, tap on it, and now we will go for confirm, and here just we will write google co.in, google co.in, and now here we will click on this green sign to sign in. So now here we will have to pick this ID, and of course we will tap on here to next. Let's see. Now here we will have to other clicks on especially the forgot password. Now see, don't know the forgot password. Now it's saying that what's the device actually. Now here just we will go for here last password it's asking, so we don't know. There are too many clue is giving. So now see phone number last 2 digit is showing now, so it means of course if you know then of course you can. There is more tips to recover this account. Means of course this can be surely recovered. How it is possible? Answer as many questions as we can. So that was the first actually in the attempting there was options. Send user device where we have the sign in before, or we have send before that. Second, use the manage with the family links. This option is also given here, but we will pick this fourth options to recover this account. So how would I go for? Don't try again, so otherwise of course Google will traction that I'm trying to recover so by a different browser. Here the more tips too, but of course don't click on here. This thing we will open by especially tapping on a setting. When we tap on a setting too, of course we will have to come in especially Google service. So where it is here, this is a Google service, and now here we will click on this help options. When we tap on a help options, then we can see here we will have the content into your accounts. Now here it is, this ones. We'll have to pick these options. Now what we will do, guys, here we will have to pick that you think someone else is using these accounts. Now what will happen here, much more. Let's see, here we will have options secure your account. Here, this ones. Now here we will click on review your account activities, and here is a find out if your account has been hacked. Now what we will do, guys, here once again we will scroll up, and here is especially these chances too. Here, tap on it. Now what we will do, here is a recovery page, tap on here and we can see now another page has been scam here. Just we will have to pick this, and now nothing, just we will have to tap on a next and see. Now see here, guys, you can see automatically it has been not require any verifications. Now here would be a verification. How it is when we tap by mistakenly on a continue. So click on a change the password, because if we tap on here then it will ask you, it's a verify options, and this OTP would be generated on recovery number. So don't do mistakes, just tap on this password change, and here you will have to change the password, confirms new changing password, and upon after changing go for change it, and after change we will tap on these options, and here is a manage your Google account. There we will come on here, and then now see it's avoiding lock with the recovery email. So it's asking do emails. Yes, add recovery email first, and after adding the recovery email first, then you will get OTP to the remove of particular this recovery phone number and the phone. This ID will be a fully, permanently, completely secured for your future. So this is all about on a live screen that we cannot create a strong password, because this would be in a public domain, and of course we will have to I will have to deliver to our audience, this viewer. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. To know more information, more notifications, and kinds of such kind of the tutorials, and then of course blindly you can subscribe this channel, hit likes, and the share of this content may be beneficial for someone who is highly curious or slides to have this kind of the information by free, of course, guys. So thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.